Hi there, namaste. This is Ali, and in this video I am extending an invitation to anyone that feels excited to join a live 4-part workshop series with me, Yoga Nidra for Beginners. So this workshop includes 4 90-minute sessions where we will be exploring into some of the science behind Yoga Nidra, some of the ancient science behind Yoga Nidra, some of the philosophy, some of the techniques, and then diving into a live practice together. For the first time ever, the practices will also be recorded and available for replay as well. And for the first time ever, it's coming at a more accessible price point. So in the past, I've done these sessions, these 4-part sessions via Zoom, and you come and do the session live and then it's over. And those sessions are usually $150 for the 4-part workshop. And live in studios, when I travel around to different studios, they've been in the past $200 for the 4-part workshop. And this June, for the first time, it will be available for $59, as that is the monthly fee for our online studio. And this workshop will be taking place within our online studio. So that is really exciting because not only will you get access to the workshop live and the replays, but also 15 classes per week with myself and the other faculty of the School of Living Yoga, and another 30 classes per month with these other senior Kripalu trained teachers as well. It's a whole beautiful experience. There's a little online app that I can show you a little bit more about, or you can do the practices from your computer. It takes place on Zoom still, but the sign-in and all of that and the links for the Zoom recordings are within the online studio. So that's where you find those and RSVP to the event. And you can just leave me a comment below if you'd like to join this workshop, and I will send you a little link to join the workshop and the studio. These classes will take place live on Fridays at 11 a.m. EST. But again, know that you can watch the replay at any time in the replay library of the online studio. So for those of you who don't know about the online studio, know that it is a new baby online studio, which we have just launched, and it's very, very exciting. We're so excited to connect with people in live practices every week, and it's been just such a dream come true so far. So it's been really amazing, and we're just really excited to offer all of these live sessions for just a fraction of what they would cost to invest in within our, brick and mortar studios around the different areas that we all teach in. So if you're interested in joining the workshop, please let me know in the comments, or you can reach out to someone on my team. I will post an email address below for you to reach out to one of our faculty members, Kristen, who can help you to get onboarded and ready for the workshop. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. All right, I'm excited, and I hope that some of you will be interested to dive deeper. And I know there are a lot of really curious souls here practicing Yoga Nidra with me on this channel. And a lot of people that are just eager to learn more, to dive deeper, to learn the things. So I'm really excited to be able to connect in real time and to really go into some of the deeper teachings around this topic and be curious and learn and understand. Okay, thank you so much for being here, for listening to this announcement, and I'll hope to see you in a practice here soon. Namaste.